It is a well-known fact that the universe is vast and seemingly endless. However, what many people may not realize is that the vast majority of galaxies are actually beyond our reach. In fact, scientists estimate that as much as 94% of all galaxies are currently out of reach for us. The reason for this shocking realization lies in the expansion of the universe. Since the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding at an accelerated rate. As a result, galaxies that were once within our reach are now moving away from us faster than the speed of light, making it impossible for us to ever reach them. This phenomenon, known as cosmic expansion, means that the universe is expanding faster than the speed of light, which is the fastest speed at which anything can travel. As a result, any galaxy that is currently beyond a certain distance from us is moving away at a speed faster than the speed of light, meaning that the light from those galaxies will never reach us, and we will never be able to observe or study them. However, this does not mean that we are completely in the dark about these galaxies. Through the use of advanced telescopes and other astronomical instruments, scientists are still able to gather data and information about these galaxies, even though we cannot physically reach them. This information has been crucial in helping us to better understand the nature and evolution of the universe as a whole. Despite the fact that we may never be able to physically explore these galaxies, studying them can still provide us with valuable insights into the history and composition of the universe. For example, by examining the light and radiation emitted by these distant galaxies, scientists can learn more about the early stages of the universe and how it evolved over time. Furthermore, the study of these unreachable galaxies has also led to the discovery of new phenomena, such as dark matter and dark energy. While we cannot directly observe these mysterious substances, their effects on the movement of galaxies and the expansion of the universe can be detected through advanced telescopes and other instruments. In addition to the study of galaxies, scientists are also exploring other ways to understand the mysteries of the universe, such as the study of gravitational waves and the search for exoplanets. By continuing to push the boundaries of our understanding, we may one day be able to unravel some of the biggest secrets of the universe. One reason why 94% of galaxies are out of reach is because of the phenomenon called cosmic expansion. The universe is expanding, and this expansion is causing galaxies to move away from each other at faster and faster speeds over time. This expansion is happening in every direction, and it is causing distant galaxies to move away from us faster than the speed of light, which means that we can never reach them, even if we were able to travel at the speed of light. Another reason why many galaxies are out of reach is that they are simply too far away. Light travels at a finite speed, so when we look at a distant galaxy, we are seeing it as it appeared in the past. The light from the most distant galaxies in the observable universe has been traveling for billions of years, and by the time it reaches us, the galaxy may no longer exist in the same form. Additionally, the light from distant galaxies is often obscured by interstellar dust and gas, making it difficult to see them even with the most powerful telescopes. Finally, there is the problem of dark matter, which makes up about 85% of the total matter in the universe. Dark matter does not interact with light, so it cannot be detected directly. However, its gravitational effects can be observed, and it is thought to play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. Because dark matter cannot be directly observed, it is difficult to study the galaxies that are predominantly made up of it. One interesting aspect of the 94% of galaxies being out of reach is the concept of the observable universe. The observable universe is the part of the universe that we can observe from Earth, given the current limitations of our technology and knowledge. It is estimated to have a radius of about 46.5 billion light-years, but that only includes the parts of the universe that have had time to send their light to us since the Big Bang. This means that there could be many more galaxies beyond the observable universe that we simply cannot see or detect with our current technology. In fact, scientists believe that the universe could be infinite in size, which means that there could be an infinite number of galaxies and other celestial objects that we may never be able to observe or study. This highlights the vastness and mystery of the universe, and the ongoing quest of scientists and astronomers to learn more about it. As technology continues to advance, there may come a time when we are able to reach and study more of the galaxies that are currently out of reach. But for now, we can only speculate and continue to explore the observable universe to the best of our abilities. Another interesting point to consider is that the 94% of galaxies that are out of reach are not evenly distributed throughout the universe. In fact, the universe is structured in a way that forms clusters and superclusters of galaxies, with vast areas of empty space in between. This means that some regions of space contain many more galaxies than others, and some may even be completely devoid of galaxies. This clustering of galaxies has important implications for our understanding of the universe and its evolution. By studying the distribution and movements of galaxies, scientists can learn more about the underlying structure and composition of the universe, as well as the forces that shape it. It's also important to note that the 94% figure applies specifically to the visible universe, which is the part of the universe that emits light that we can see. However, there is also a significant amount of dark matter and dark energy in the universe, which makes up a much larger percentage of the total mass energy of the universe. These mysterious substances do not emit or absorb light and are therefore much harder to detect and study than ordinary matter. This distance presents a significant challenge for astronomers who study galaxies, as many of them are simply too far away to observe in detail. Additionally, the expansion of the universe means that the light from distant galaxies is redshifted, making it more difficult to study and analyze. However, advances in technology and observational techniques have allowed astronomers to gather more data and information about distant galaxies, including their structure, composition, and evolution. For example, the Hubble Space Telescope has provided unprecedented views of galaxies located billions of light-years away, and new telescopes and instruments are being developed that will enable even more detailed observations in the future. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos. We love hearing from our viewers, and your feedback helps us to create content that's tailored to your interests.